welcome back to our channel with little big Nessa and baby Valerie and mommy Paulette. So we are back with another unbagging. What are we unbagging today?
IPSY.
For the month of August. And if you're not familiar with IPSY, it is a $10 subscription bag, and you get 5 items, deluxe and sometimes full size. So let's get to it.
So I'm gonna open it. So we're
It is like cute orange and yellow.
It's like a different one.
Yes, it is.
Do you know about this?
Yeah, it says IPSY. Alright, it's time to open it. Alright, what do we have first? Alright, and we have our first item. It is a lipstick. And look at that packaging, it's so cute. And it is called Lip Fondant. It is by Half Cake.
It's like a donut.
Yes, like a donut. She's gonna eat it. Alright, let's actually open it up.
I want to open it.
Alright, here you go. Oh, how pretty. Look at those sprinkles on top.
I like it.
Alright, so it is red orange, and it
like,
is called Girl Crush. It looks very vibrant and red, and I will do a swatch and I'll try it on because I don't have any lipstick. Alright, moving on.
Next one we have eyeshadow.
We have an eyeshadow.
Let me know her name.
It is called
The
Balm.
Balm.
And they have a cute superhero girl in the front, and we'll do a close-up. And it is foiled by their collection, foiled again. Whoa.
Can I open it?
Carefully, okay? So it's an eyeshadow, and I've actually had gotten the Balm before, and I
It
really
says
like
gel.
them. No, it's called Locked Up. Close, but it's called Locked Up.
Like you can't close.
Okay, and it is a silvery foiled eyeshadow. And the cool thing about it is you can actually also red it for more an intense look. And I will be testing it out for you and applying it on my eyelid. And what do we have next?
We have this brush. It's really soft.
Yes.
It's really fluffy.
It's very fluffy. May I see it now? It is a blush brush or a highlighter brush or even a bronzer brush. And I've actually gotten tiny
eyeshadow
crystals. And it's by
I think it's like
Glam.
for
And
the
it is
eyeshadow.
SG62. And look at all that sparkle. So girly.
I like sparkles. I think it had to be like this one.
Yes, they go together.
They go together.
This is a highlighter. It's a Glow 2 highlighter. And is, I hope I'm saying it right, by Ciate London. So it is a little highlighter.
It's for this
and
one.
it looks like a creamy, sparkly, and it'll go good with this brush. We'll apply it.
Let me do that.
She's if you can't see baby Valerie, she's actually trying to show you the product. So I brought here my mist to try out the eyeshadow in a wet look. It's by Elf, actually.
Oh, it's like soft.
Yeah.
I put some makeup on this.
Yeah. Alright, moving on to the next item.
I'll just like put in there.
Okay, can you show us the next item, please?
Because I'm just almost done. Okay,
Oh, cute.
Am I pretty?
Oh, you're beautiful.
Having this item.
Okay, it is by Murad, and it is an Asian form exfoliating
Having my
cleanser.
makeup.
And the cool thing about exfoliator is it takes fights off dead skin cells, and it is one of the things that I do religiously every single day or before applying my makeup, because it clears out dead skin and it creates a nice foundation. Is by Smashbox, and it is a face primer, and it is actually a bonus item because I resubscribed to IPSY because I had kind of stopped getting some bags, and
they start doing it.
Yes, and so then I resubscribed and they gave me a bonus item, which I think is cute because I can actually try this.
It look like a baby.
I've heard a lot of good things about it.
It looks like a little baby.
Yeah, it looks like a little baby. It'll probably last me like maybe a week or so, depending on how much I prime my face, which, you know, priming has changed my life. Alright, so we're going to do a full face look with all the products, and the first one we have the highlighter by Swatches London, using the SL Miss Glam brush, and she's going to apply some right here, and right here.
Don't move.
Okay, not there. Right here, only right here.
Is this soft?
It is soft, but you're doing it kind of wrong. Let me just show you. So this is how you apply highlighter.
Let me do it.
Did you see what I did? She's acting like if I'm a painting. Alright, not like that.
I'm sorry.
It's supposed to be like this.
Okay.
Alright, so she's applying my highlighter, as you can see. Alright, so using the Swatches London and the SL Miss Glam in the number SG62. Alright, moving on with the eyeshadow by The Balm. Here's a close-up.
Can I do that?
Hold on. And here's what it looks like.
So
And I'll show her one, and then she'll, I guess, apply the other one. And just pay attention to what I'm doing. And in the crease area, just apply
I
it.
was gonna do this one.
Just apply it in the crease area.
How you like
A
it?
little bit more.
How you think?
It's pretty. It is very blendable. I'd probably use different eyeshadows to build up.
To build it?
Yes. It is very silvery, very creamy.
Just don't move and just close your eyes.
Yeah.
How think?
It's very soft. She's going to put me to sleep.
Just close your eyes.
Okay. Let me help you a little bit here. Because we still got to go to a party today.
I want to party right now?
And after we're done, we got to go to my little bro's birthday. A little shout out to Freddie. Listen, happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Freddie. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
I'm pretty sure by the time this video airs, it has been some time, but we want to wish you a happy birthday.
Yes, I hope we can eat some cake.
Alright.
I hope Freddie I hope Freddie liked your makeup.
Yeah, I'm sitting talking about cake. We're gonna put some cake on her mouth. Her lips.
Awesome.
Okay, can I do this part because I'm a little scared?
I'm not going to do much.
Hold on. Okay, I'm trusting you with this.
Okay, just don't move. Is it scary? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'll help you with the rest. Just inside, stay inside the lips. Inside, do this part. I'll do the rest.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Just do the bottom, please.
I'm I'm sorry.
Okay. I will finish the rest.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for starting it for me.
I'm sorry.
This is a little preview of what's coming in a few, I don't know, days. It's a challenge. My four-year-old does my makeup. So, little preview. It is velvety. Has a nice little smell to it. Anyway, this is the look. I hope you like it, and I will do some photographs. I will clean up my lips because, again, it's a little out there, outside the lines, and that's it for our full look. It is swatch time. So I'm going to be doing a swatch on this beautiful Moon Dust highlighter by Ciat London. I hope I'm saying it right. And I'm going to be using this gorgeous pink. Look at this glitter inside. Let me set this down. Oh, look at that. And look at this rhinestone. It's so girly. And it is by SL Miss Glam in the number SG62, and it is for highlighters, bronzers, and blushes. I think it's very girly. And let's do a swatch. It's really hard to tell on camera. It's very subtle. But let me see if I move my arm, you can see it. I think it's really pretty, especially when you are doing pictures of yourself, or, you know, just if you want a little glow but not too dramatic, this is your go-to. So next off we have the Foiled Again by The Balm. And look at this. This is the superhero girl that I was telling you about. Very cool. Alright, let's open her up and get a closer look. Alright, and it is a silvery metallic. And so I'm going to go in and do a swatch for you. Look at that. Look at that. Get it to focus. Alright. Below the highlighter. And there you go. It feels very creamy and it's very metallic-y. Definitely a nice shadow to build upon. Maybe add some grays, some blacks, or maybe some blues and pink. All kinds of stuff you can do with this shimmery foiled silver metallic eyeshadow. So next we have the by Half Caked Lip Fondant, and this is in Girl Crush. Look at this packaging, very fun with sprinkles. I like the concept, the idea, because sometimes you think, oh, I'm going to put a cake on my face or bake myself, you know. So I think it's very clever, the brand. Alright, so let's get to it. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. It's a red orange, and again, more sprinkles on top, and in the name Girl Crush. Alright, let's do a swatch. This is what the wand looks like. Alright, I'm going to do it underneath the eyeshadow. Ooh, very bright. Definitely reminds me of the Julep Vessel. And I did get a chance to try it out, and I was a bit disappointed because I felt like it didn't stay put, especially when eating or drinking, and I just felt like it was a hot mess. It is beautiful, but if you're not going to be eating, I think that's when you should wear it. And just be careful and make sure you look at yourself, otherwise you're going to end up with red orange lipstick on your nose like I did. But other than that, it is a gorgeous color. Just use with caution. So this is not necessarily a swatch. I really wanted to give you a closer look at the products. And this one is the exfoliator by Murad. And I really like exfoliators because it helps before applying your makeup. It provides a nice, smooth, flawless base before you apply the makeup. And before, I used to have like a lot of, I don't know, like a rough looking skin. And that's because I didn't used to exfoliate. So definitely do exfoliate before applying your makeup. It will make a huge, huge difference, I promise. So our next item is by Smashbox, and it is a primer. And I've heard a lot of great things about Smashbox primer, and I'm excited to try it. And I actually received this as a bonus item for resubscribing to IPSY, which is very generous of them. And the thing about primer, it really helps your makeup last longer, and it really helps to close up your pores and give you a nice base for your foundation and the rest of your makeup. So I do recommend you priming your face because it is also going to be life-changing for your makeup and yourself. So I will keep you updated on my blog to see whether it was a hit or a miss. Alright, hope you like the close-ups. I hope you like our IPSY. Hope you like our August IPSY unbagging, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell and give us a big thumbs up and a heart for you. Till next time. So what do we play? Little. Okay, little.
Little big Vanessa.
Okay, little big Vanessa. Bravo.
And just put this for sure, Nitty. Okay, then put that right here.
So this is the